Hello and welcome to today's video where we will be talking about SACCOs. That is Savings and Credit Cooperative Organization. Welcome to Just World YouTube channel where we live, learn, adventure and charity. We talk about finance, travel, personal development and community service. If you're interested in this kind of content, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you. We start by asking ourselves, what is a SACCO? A SACCO is a credit union formed by a group of people who come together with similar interests. In Kenya, SACCOs are registered by the Ministry of Cooperatives, which authorizes them to receive deposits and give loan to their members. The SACCOs are regulated by the SACCO Society Regulatory Authority, that is SASRA, which is a government authority. If you're a member of a SACCO, comment down below which SACCO and the benefits of that SACCO. If you're not a member of any SACCO, comment down below why. Is it a past experience or is there a reason why you're not a member? And if you'd like to join, comment down below also and tell us what you think about SACCOs. What are the key features of a SACCO? The SACCOs are member-owned, used, controlled, and it only benefits the members. If you're a member of a SACCO, what benefits have you accrued in the SACCO? And why would you recommend to someone to join either the SACCO you're in or another SACCO? There are two main objectives of SACCOs, that is to mobilize savings and to provide access to loans on competitive terms. There are also amazing benefits of joining a SACCO. First, savings. It helps someone create a saving culture and it boosts your saving kitty. 2, you can easily get loans and within a short time. Thing is that it is a source of income as you can earn dividends on your shares and interest on your deposits. The next thing we're going to talk about are basics of a SACCO. We're going to start with the main thing, that is mandatory membership before savings. If you're interested in joining a SACCO, you must pay a certain amount, which is the share capital, which should be paid either in lump sum or within a specific period of time. What is share capital? Share capital is a unit of ownership in the SACCO that a member acquires to become a shareholder, that is a co-owner of the SACCO. Remember we said the SACCO is member-owned, used and controlled. This must be paid before you enjoy any of the SACCO services. If you want to leave the SACCO, you are required to transfer your shares to another SACCO member of your choice. That is to say that the share capital is non-refundable. If you are unable to get a buyer, you can always request the SACCO to assist in getting someone to buy your shares. Okay, the benefits of the shares is that they earn you dividends annually based on the SACCO's performance. If you're a member of a SACCO, have you received your dividends? And at what rate was it paid? Is it better than last year or is it constant? Also, if you comment down below with your SACCO, let us know what is the minimum share capital required to join your SACCO. The other basic of a SACCO is the monthly savings. That is, your contribution must be made on a monthly basis for you to be up to date and to be eligible for a loan. Like we said earlier, this helps in creating a saving culture. Once again, if you want to withdraw, you have to give the SACCO notice. Different SACCOs have different timelines. I don't know what the standard timeline is. If you know, comment down below. Also, let us know, have you ever been a member of a SACCO and decided to withdraw from the SACCO? How long did it take for you to get your money? The next basic about SACCOs is you borrow against your savings. Basically, you will be borrowing your money plus other people's money. Depending on the SACCO you're in, they give a certain limit. Sometimes you will find they will say it will be 3 times your savings, or 5 times, or 8 times, depending on the SACCO you're in. If you're a member of a SACCO, what is the limit in your SACCO? What is your take on borrowing your money and paying interest on your savings? Does your annual interest and dividend income tally with the interest that you pay on your loan? Which one is higher, the income you get or the interest you pay annually? Have you ever evaluated your finances and felt like it would be better to borrow from a financial institution rather than a SACCO where you just borrow other people's money? Comment down below. The next thing is you require guarantors to borrow when it comes to SACCOs, which is not the case for other financial institutions. And the number of guarantors depend on the SACCO requirements and your savings. And in case of default, the guarantor's deposits will be liquidated to the extent of the amount they have guaranteed you. So, before joining a SACCO, establish the ability to get guarantors. You should know a few members who are sufficient to cover your facility whenever you want to borrow, and the members should be credit worthy. Otherwise, you're going to lose money, because remember, they're going to guarantee you and you're also going to be their guarantors. So in case you default, they get to pay. In case they default and you have guaranteed them, you get to pay the loan. So you should be very careful. So many people have paid for people the loans and they never get their money back. However, you can also secure your borrowing with a security, say property, motor vehicle, among other securities. The other basic of a SACCO is that you can quickly get emergency loans. Most SACCOs approve the emergency loans within 30 minutes to 24 hours, depending on the SACCO, and the interest is a bit less compared to other financial institutions. It is important to note that the emergency loans are repaid within a short time. That is, of course, they are disbursed within a short time. You expect to pay within a short time. The other thing is that SACCOs offer front office services which are equivalent to current accounts in commercial banks. So you can channel your salary through that account and do all your daily transactions in the account, which also includes getting salary advance from the SACCO. We now look at factors to consider when choosing a SACCO to join. Number 1, reputation. It is important to research as to how long the SACCO has been operating, any red flags, member reviews on social media and their apps, and if you're in doubt, confirm from their website, or you can even contact SASRA or the regulatory body in your country, as SASRA is Kenyan, and also find out from people who you know are members of the SACCO by word of mouth. The next factor to consider is guarantors and security. You would do well to learn about the SACCO's guarantor and loan limit policy, as different SACCOs have different approaches to ensuring loans advanced are repaid, and it's upon you to evaluate the different policies and choose a SACCO that best meets your needs. Some SACCO may insist on guarantors, others may take security. If your main reason for joining the SACCO is to secure a loan, then analyzing this option is very, very important to you to avoid disappointments when you require the facility. The next factor is dividends. While most SACCOs may look the same, some will offer you very good interest rates, while others will only manage very low interest at the end of every year. When you are shopping for a SACCO, ensure you check out what interest was paid the previous year, and if possible the last 3 years, so that you can ascertain their credibility and their capacity to be able to pay you dividends. Remember, as much as you're saving for a different purpose, dividends will come in handy. If you're going to buy a significant amount of shares that is relative to your income levels, then interest rates on shares should be a priority for you when you're reviewing the SACCO. The other factor is technology. In modern times, you need convenience, either at your fingertips or very close to you. You should check whether they have mobile banking, online banking, and then you're able to send money, do your contribution, make your purchases, withdraw money without having to travel to your branch or to queue for the service. So, you should be able to access your saving details from their system at the comfort of your house. It's good to track your investments and your savings. Next factor is investment opportunities. As much as SACCOs are for saving and investment and borrowing against your savings, some SACCOs have opened opportunity to their members to be able to even acquire assets. If you're a member of a SACCO and you have managed to acquire an asset facilitated by the SACCO, not financed by the SACCO but facilitated, kindly comment down below and tell us how confident and safe you felt when you're buying something which is recommended by your SACCO. Of course, on assumption that they undertake the proper due diligence. This applies to either recommendation and you finance through other sources, or the SACCO recommends and finances you. If you're a member of a SACCO, or if you're not and there is a reason you're not a member, comment down below with the reason why you're not a member of the SACCO and the challenges which are faced at the SACCO. Thank you so much for watching this video. To my Premier Gang, thank you so much for your continued support. Kindly, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss our weekly videos.